You're a shaman and a conman and a diva
and a diamond paid in blood.
You're a liar, but they buying it. I need two more
Suppliers for my drugs.
I'm going crazy. Feels like the world's made of lettuce. So why do I feel so constrained by my words?
Like saying things are gonna get better. That's the fakest shit that I ever heard.
If it's something you gotta pay for,
then heaven wasn't made for me.
if I gotta be saved for,
Then heaven wasn't made for me.
if there's people you gotta hate for, loving what they made for, loving who they came for. But crooked saints get the big reward.
No, heaven wasn't made for me. No, heaven wasn't made for me.
Okay, bye.
All these shitty
People made it past the gate,
so you can keep your faith.
I dreamt I died and spent my time in heaven, missing all of my mistakes. Feels like the world's made of letters. So why do I feel so constrained by my words? Like saying things are gonna get better. That's the fakest shit that I ever heard. If it's something